Okay, guys, hello, welcome back to Principal Ideas, and thank you for clicking on this video. So, in today's video, I will walk you through how to make money right now for free, available worldwide, without using any money. Okay, investing a dime, just using a robot. Okay, so meaning you don't have to do anything, this robot will do everything for you. Okay, but before we get into the video, make sure you comment down below in the comment section if you don't understand anything in this video, because I'm here for you. I have more time for you and I'll answer it for you. Okay, now let's get right into the video. So what is chatgpt? That's the new robot I'm talking about. It's actually a tool that is designed by Openai that was released in November 2022. So ChatGPT is actually the best tool, okay, the best robot right now, which does anything concerning writing codes, computer programming codes and all those stuff. Okay, yes. So it's actually the best tool and we can make money from it. So make sure you watch this video to the end because I will share with you some tips. Okay, so you just have to head over to Google and then search for ChatGPT. We're actually going to learn how to sign up to this platform. Okay, so you can see the codes over here. You see the computer codes, all of them over here. So you can do a whole lot with this robot, but we're actually going to learn how to make money from this tool in 2023 and beyond. Okay, yes, so you just have to hit on try chat gpt. It will take you to this page. You can sign up or log in. So let me tap on sign up. Now you can see you can sign up with your email or you can sign up with your Google account as well, but Google account is easy. So let me continue with Google. Okay, so now it has taken me to this page. That's when I selected my Gmail. It has automatically been able to identify my IP address. So it has selected my country. You just have to enter my number. See, it's okay. So I've used the number for another account, so I just have to log into the account. And when you log in, you just have to tap on this three button. You see new chat. So let me type in something like how to go viral on TikTok, and let's see what these two will do. So now you can see it has written a full article for me. Okay, guys, make sure you don't click off this video, and thank you for watching still. So now we are going to learn how to make money from these two. Okay, so don't click off this video. So head over to Google and search for user interviews. Okay, user interviews. You actually get paid for engaging in research programs. Okay, yes. So this is the website over here. It says what? Want to earn money participating in user research? Yes, I know you don't have any skill. You are just a beginner, but trust me, if you stay along with me to the end of this video, you can make it. Okay, yes. So you just have to sign up and then enter your email and then your phone number. And actually, this method does not work in some countries, but if you stay along with me to the end of this video, i will show I'll show you how to bypass that. Okay, so you just have to enter your phone number. It says I'm using a non-US number, so I just have to enter my code, my country code, which is +233 in Ghana, and I just have to tap on sign up with my email. Yes, you just have to tap on sign up with my email. This unable to send text message to verify phone. That's a problem over here. Okay, so just stay along with me and let's go. So you just have to download this app, which is called Kiwi browser. Link in the description. Okay, or the app name is in the description. And you just have to tap on extensions from the app and just have to tap on from store. So this browser called Kiwi browser actually allows you to install Chrome extensions. So we are about to install a VPN, one of the best free VPNs. Okay, one of the very best VPNs that we have. So that is what this is, a website based VPN, one of the best. So you just have to search for Tunnel BA VPN. Okay, then you tap on this very first one over here. So let me just tap on it. Okay, so if I tap on it now, you can see it is over here, which says what remove from Chrome. So let me zoom it out. Remove from Chrome, meaning I've already added to Chrome. Okay, yes. So you just have to add to Chrome, and then you just have to download the app, and then you sign up again. Okay, yes. So you just have to head over to Google, and then you search for SMS verification. Choose this specific one which says smsreceivefree.com. Select United States and select one of these USA numbers. So let me just select this very first one. Okay, so just select this very first one. Guys, make sure you don't click off this video because you're about to execute the most important step in this video. So you just have to copy this number. So let me just copy it, long press on it. Okay, but before that, let me add it to home screen. Okay, just have to add it to home screen before, and then you just have to come back, and then you copy the number, then you head over to user interviews again. So you just have to enter your email, and now you just have to enter the phone number that we copy from SMS verification. Okay, so guys, if you are still watching this video, make sure you like and subscribe to join this small family. Okay, let's go. So you just have to, it says what, the owner of this website has banned you temporarily from accessing this website, but yet you what, bypass this. Okay, you are watching Principal Idea, so make sure you take some sweet wine or any drink that is sweet. I know you are getting bored, so make sure you grab your wine, drink it, because you're about to what, execute the most important step to bypass everything. Okay, so you just have to um tap on the three buttons over there, and then you see extensions. That's what the VPN that we installed, and you just have to what, connect it to United States. Okay, you just have to head over to user interviews. You can check that from the history. Okay, browser history. You just have to enter your email again, and then you enter the number, then you hit on the next page, then you tap on recent code. So guys, make sure you subscribe to join this small family. We're actually 100 over here, and this is the first video in 2023. So make sure you like and subscribe. Okay, now you can see it says, well, let's verify your phone number. So it's now available. So just get back to the website. Oh, it has appeared again. So let me just clear off my number and then paste it again over here. So let me just paste it, and says what, let's verify your phone number. So you just have to head over to the smsreceivefree.com, and then you can see what your user interviews verification is, what, 758632. So you just have to what, copy this code, and then get back to user interviews, paste it over here. Guys, I know you want to click off this video, but trust me, don't click it off. Okay, just stay along with me. Okay, yes, let's go. So you just have to it will be verified automatically, and then it will take you to this page. Guys, make sure you don't click off this video. I know you want to click off. The Satan is convincing you. No, 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 you're in 2023, new year, don't do that. So you just have to fill out these details. Okay, so let me just help you a bit, and then I will not fill all the details over here because I don't want this video to be very long. So you just have to select your job title. So let me select something like medical laboratory science. I'm a medical laboratory science student. So seniority, make sure you choose something very high. Show them that you are a boss. You are the boss. So seniority, senior, and then skills. Just have to tap um on it, and then search for something like related to your field. So something like health. You can also choose something like computer programmer, researcher, and all those stuff. I mean, a whole lot of categories over here. Okay, so you just have to go ahead and then select one of these skills that is related to your field. Okay, so you just have to fill your name, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and then the city. Because we are actually using a VPN, the city, we have to be very very careful. Okay, you have to be very very careful over here. You don't have to select a city that is in your hometown, like Nigeria, India, Pakistan, Zambia, or any other third world country. Okay, so just select something like New York, New Jersey, and all those stuff. Those are the cities in America, because we're actually in America. We've connected our phone to America because of the VPN. Okay, so you just have to select something like New Jersey. Guys, don't click off this video. I know you want. Don't click off. Okay, stay along with me. And then household income per year, you can see is what 30,000 to 39,000. Choose something a bit higher. Okay, highest level of education. Now, guys, sometimes the page you not see any task over there. Okay,
One eternity later.
but congratulations, you are you stayed along with me to the end of this very part of the video. So guys, as you can see over here, it says what now you're having tax over it. Now you can see my name over there, right there. It means that indeed this method works. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to join this small family and don't click off the video, because we're about to show you the second website. Okay, the second website is amazing. It's amazing, trust me, it's very, very amazing. So now you can see some of these tags over here. Now when you apply for it and you get accepted, you can use ChatGPT. So share this with your girlfriend, just give me a heart and subscribe to this family. Let's go. So now the second website is what called Steady Pool. Steady Pool is actually a website where students go to answer questions. You can also answer your questions over there, but we want to what make money from this website. Guys, this website actually, the way it works is that you can sell documents over here, and then you can also what um become a tutor by teaching people how to make money and then how to solve their assignments. Okay, so make sure you share this video with your girlfriend, because none of the girls are watching my video. So if I head over to this website, which is what Steady Pool, you can see some of the documents over here. And then guys, make sure you subscribe to this small family, because this is an overview of this very website called Steady Pool. But in the next video, I'll be uploading a full tutorial on how to make a full-time income from this website. Now you can see, so you can earn up to $5,000 per month just by selling documents. So how it works is what upload documents, you get approved. When each student that views your document pays what $10, and you can see some of the very top earners over here. Someone has earned over 89,000, 77,000. You can make a whole lot of money from this website. So make sure you join this small family, because in the next video I'll be sharing with you how to get this document for free. I mean for free. And then also how to get to this website and make a full-time income from this website working from home, which is available worldwide in every country. Okay, and you can actually do this on your phone, your laptop, or anything. Okay, so the next one is what you can become a tutor by answering few questions posted by students over here. Just tap on the three dots, you see become a tutor, and see, you can see what you can earn up to what $7,500 just by answering questions over here. And we can use ChatGPT to answer those questions, even you don't have any skill or you don't have any knowledge in any of the fields over here. So you see, students ask specific questions, tutors answer via text, providing full explanations and answers. Students or tutors communicate over chat messenger. Tutoring sessions are one time per question base. So now you can see some of the questions over here. Recent questions, it says what management case study, organic chemistry, mechanism of a reaction, calculus, religion. So ChatGPT can do all this. Okay, but I actually have another website AI tool which is similar to ChatGPT. So I'll combine those two um AI tools, that's the ChatGPT and the other website. So make sure you like this video, and then when it hits like 20 likes, I will drop the next video. So you can see popular Twitter countries: Canada, Indonesia, India, Nigeria. Oh, Nigeria is not in the list. Ghana is not even in the list. So guys, that is it. And then make sure you subscribe to join this small family. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye.